I'm Hannah Bodden. I'm the archivist with Deadwood History, and I'm here with Andy Mosher, the executive director of Deadwood Alive, and we're going to show you how to access some of our collections online while our properties are closed with Deadwood.PastPerfect.com. So to get to our website online, you need to go to Deadwood.PastPerfectOnline.com, and it's going to take you to this website. It gives you a little bit of information about what we do have there, but really what we're here to do is search and find a few things so that you know how to do it from home.
So you're telling me I can access all the cool stuff that you guys have archived here and so forth by going through the internet?
You can access a good portion of it. We have almost 1,200 objects, photos, and documents on there, but not everything. So this is just a little sample, and when we're back open, you'll be able to access it all when you can come into the HARCC.
Oh, cool. All right. How do we do this?
So there's a couple of ways to do it. The best way, the way that most people do, is to keyword search. All of the searches are on the left side of the screen.
So right there?
Right there. And from there, you can keyword search anything you want. Just a heads up, when you search something like New York store, you're gonna get everything that has New York and store, but it might pop up something that you didn't know you were interested in.
So let's try New York store then.
And so there's 69 results for that. And like I said, it's gonna have everything with New York and store, but it's also gonna have a lot of stuff from New York store, which we know a lot of the people who visit our website love.
Okay.
And so if you can find something you're interested in looking at.
Well, how about a coat?
So when you click in onto something, it's going to give you more information. So you'll get the date and a description that we've created. And you can also look at the photographs up close.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't think it would look real good on me, though.
I think it looked good on you.
You think?
It's pretty fancy.
Might not fit. All right, that's pretty interesting. What else can I look at?
So another way to look, and this will give you a different idea, is to use random images search, which is over on the left.
Random images.
And that is going to give you about 25 random images, so objects, photos, documents. And if you keep refreshing it, it'll keep refreshing, and you'll find new things each time.
Oh, that's cool. How about some firemen in front of the fire hall? Oh, wow, they're pretty fancy.
Yeah, so if you find something that you really like photograph-wise, you actually can purchase it from us. And to do that, you can request the image. It's down on the right.
Over there.
And that'll pop up a form. And if you just want to know more about the image, if you want some information, we are still here and responding to requests. And you can do it that way as well. Just ask a question about it in this form, and we'll get back to you.
Okay. And I am not a robot, by the way.
Yes, you will have to prove you're not a robot, or it won't send.
That's pretty cool.
Hannah, there's a question from Joshua. He wants to know if we can look at certain addresses.
Unfortunately, you can't. There might be an address in the description, so you could keyword search that, but usually our photos don't have a specific address, but it's always worth trying. And honestly, if you can't find it, you might try reaching out to me at Hannah at Deadwood.com, DeadwoodHistory.com, and I'll try and look at it in our full collection.
I'm going to look at some more random images here. What do we got? Overview of Deadwood. Oh, that's really cool.
And if you want to find the description from the random images, I believe you right-click on the, actually underneath, if you go back and close this right there. I believe if you right-click on the name of the image, it'll take you, maybe it's the left click on it, try all the clicks.
There it goes.
And you'll get the description.
It was left click on the title of the image.
And that'll take you to the full record. And you can also, from this, email it to a friend. So if you find something really interesting or you found someone's house, you can send it to them. And that's just up at the top on the right side there.
Email to a friend. What if I don't have any friends?
Email it to someone who's not your friend. They might like it.
Okay, good idea.
And you can also send us feedback from that page. So if you can identify someone in a photograph or something like that, you can always use that send us feedback link and let us know.
That's up here on the upper right. Okay, cool.
Hannah, will you go through with Andy some of the finding aids that you have, and then maybe talk about like what tend to be the most popular collections that people are searching for?
Right. So our most popular collections usually are the Homestake collections, and to get to the finding aids for those, we actually need to open up another tab
Okay.
and go to deadwoodhistory.com. So those are actually on our website.
Whoops. Is that right?
Looks right. And from there, you're going to go to our collections.
Collections.
And
right
just
there.
go to collections right there. You can also get a PastPerfect Online from here, but it's sometimes easier just to do the straight address.
Collections. Okay.
And if you scroll down here, you will find our finding aids for mostly Homestake, but also some other larger collections that we don't do item by item, so you can't find them on PastPerfect Online. And so you have guides to different things. So some of the most popular are our Homestake employee records. If you have a relative who worked for Homestake, a lot of times we can find their employee records or photographs of them in that collection. And these all, if you just click on one, they open up to a PDF with information about it. And they're a little bit vague. They're not a item by item list, so you're not going to find an exact name in here. But you might find something where a box that you know you need to look in to find them there. And you can also reach out to us and we can search the collection for you.
Cool. So we can find out a lot more stuff than just what is here. There's lots of access to other things as well. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, there's a lot of access, and once we open up, you'll have all the access. But for right now, you can use these to find what you're looking for or to reach out to find more.
Oh, very cool. So you're giving us lots of stuff that we can do from home right now.
Exactly.
Because
So-
we can't be in here doing it, huh?
Exactly. And you can prepare for when we do open. You'll have everything ready to go and a list of everything you need, and you can come in and we'll get it for you.
Awesome. Well, I may just have to do a bunch of this stuff. There's lots of neat information here. Very cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is there anything else? Do you have an indication of when you guys are going to open back up?
We don't, unfortunately. We hope as soon as possible, but we will keep you updated on Facebook and online.
And when you open back up, can just anybody come in here and research this stuff, or do you have to be somebody special or have an appointment or whatever?
Everybody's special, but anyone can come in. Appointments are great. Letting us know when you're coming is perfect, but you can also just walk in. The HARCC is open 10 to 4, Monday through Friday, and you'll walk in. We have a research packet and some research room rules. You'll have to fill that out and agree to the rules, and then anyone can research.
So pretty much the rules are don't mess things up, be nice, be kind, and I'm sure there's going to be rules after all of this is done about social distancing and disinfecting policies and all that stuff.
Exactly.
So as soon as you know all that stuff, you're going to let everybody know, right?
As soon as we know, we will let everyone know. We'll let you know.
Super! How can they get in touch with you for more information?
You can get in touch with me at hannah@deadwood.com. And our phone number is 605-722-4800.
Right, and Hannah's email is actually hannah@deadwoodhistory.com.
Cool. All right, well, thank you so much for helping me out. I know I'm going to do a whole bunch of this stuff and do a bunch of research. It's something good to do while we're stuck at home, and I can't wait to learn more about this. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
See ya.